Good morning, students. Today I am going to learn Social Studies Class 5. First page of this book. Contents of this book. Unit 1. Usage of globals and maps. A model of the earth, the globe. First lesson. Now. A model of the earth, the globe. The earth is a planet on which we live. It is the home of all animals and plants. You have read in the previous classes that the earth is spherical in shape. The real shape of the earth is represented by a globe. The globe is a model of the earth. What is globe? Answer is globe is the model of the earth. You can see all the continents and oceans in their exact shape and size on the globe. You know that there are 7 continents. First, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Europe. Sixth, Australia. 7, Antarctica. And 4 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, and Indian Oceans. Then 7 continents and 4 oceans. Clear? Now, go ahead. Latitude and longitudes. You can see a network, that is grid, of the circular and semicircular lines which go down horizontally and vertically on a globe. These lines help in knowing the correct locations of various places on the earth. They are called latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are the imaginary lines or circles down on map or globe from west to east. The line or circle drawn in the middle of the map or globe from west to east is called the equator. Equator measure is 0 degree. Where latitudes, the equator divided the earth into 2 hemispheres, north hemisphere and south hemisphere. The other latitudes we usually marked at the interval of 10 degree in both hemispheres. In the north of the equator, they are called the north latitude. In the south of the equator, they are called south latitudes. They are marked up at 90 degree north and 90 degrees south, where 90 degree north and 90 degrees south latitudes are called North Pole and South Pole respectively. All latitudes are parallel to each other and therefore they are also called parallels of latitudes. The distance between 2 parallels of latitudes on the Earth's surface is 111 kilometers. बच्चों, 2 लैटिट्यूड्स के बीच का जो दूरी है वो 111 किलोमीटर होता है, 111. ठीक है. Latitudes become shorter and shorter as we move from the equator toward the pole. लैटिट्यूड जो होता है धीरे धीरे छोटा होते चला जाएगा जैसे कि हम इक्वेटर से दूर चलते जाएंगे पोल की तरफ. वाइल द इक्वेटर इज द बिगेस्ट सर्कल्स ऑन द ग्लोब. अब पूरे ग्लोब में अगर कोई बड़ा है तो वो है इक्वेटर. द नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल आर जस्ट ओनली पॉइंट. जो 2 पोल है वो केवल एक पॉइंट है. बिसाइड द इक्वेटर some other important latitudes are the Tropic of Cancer, which is measured in the 23.5 degree north latitudes. Where Tropic of the Capricorn, 23.5 south latitudes, Arctic circles, 66.5 north latitudes, and Antarctic circles, 66.5 latitudes. This is the measurement of the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Clear? Longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary semicircles or lines drawn on the map or globes from the North Pole to the South Pole. Longitudes are also called meridians. Which is called meridians? Longitudes are called meridians. The longitudes drawn in the middle of the map or globe from the north to south is called prime meridians. प्राइम मेरिडियंस जो लॉन्गिट्यूड मिडिल में हो मैप का, जो नॉर्थ से साउथ की ओर हो, है ना, उसको हम लोग प्राइम मेरिडियन 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड कहते हैं. इट डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू द वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. Longitudes are also usually drawn at an interval of 10 degree in the west or east of the prime meridian. They are drawn up to 180 degree. However, 180 degree longitudes is neither called west or east, as it make a complete circle, that is circumference of the globe. Longitudes are not parallel to each other. The distance between two longitudes becomes shorter and shorter as we move away from the equator toward the poles. It is longest at the equator. All the longitudes meet at the pole. सभी longitudes पोल में आके मिलता है. The prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridians, as it passes through Greenwich near the London. The longitudes of a place also help us to know the local time that place. तो जो लोकल टाइम है वो ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन में ही लिया गया है, जो कहाँ से है, पासेस करता है लंदन से. लोकल टाइम एंड स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. You observe daily that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Actually, the sun never rises and never sets. It appears to do so because the earth rotates on its own axis in the 24 hour. कहता है कि सन जो है डेली आपको लगता है कि सूरज पूरब से निकलता है और पश्चिम में जाके डूब जाता है, बट ऐसा कहीं नहीं है. सूरज एक जगह पे है और अर्थ जो है अपना 24 आवर में एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट करता है. वो किधर से किधर जाता है, वेस्ट से ईस्ट की ओर. सो द ईस्टर्न पार्ट्स ऑफ द अर्थ गेट सनलाइट अर्लियर देन द वेस्टर्न पार्ट्स. The earth turns on its axis once in every 24 hours. It means that it makes one complete turn of 36 degree in 24 hours. A circle measure 360. It means that it turns 15 degree in 1 hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Therefore, the time of sun's rise varies by 4 minutes for each degree of the longitudes, or the local time. Each degree of longitudes or local time varies 4 minutes each degree. To remove these confusions, the local time of the particular longitudes is used as the standard time for the country or part of the country. If the size of the country is very big, the standard time of India is the local time of 82.5 east longitude, which passes almost through the middle of India. Since India lies in the east of the Greenwich, the Indian standard time is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich meridian time. GMT से 5.5 घंटा आगे है. Since 1 degree of the longitude make a difference of 4 minutes in the local time, 82.5 will make a difference of 5 hours 30 minutes. Locations of a place of the globals. Location of a place on the globe map of the earth. You have read that the latitude and longitudes help us in knowing the locations of the place of globe, map or earth. We can know that the locations of the place in the term of its latitudes and longitudes. For examples, Delhi is located where 29° north latitude and 77° east longitude interact each other. So the location of Delhi is 29 north and 77° east. The degree of latitudes and longitudes are further subdivided into minutes and seconds. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. A place is located at 25.5° north latitude and 33.5 east longitude. We can say that its location is 25° 30 minutes north and 33° and 30 minutes east. Now, remember, learn all and give the answer the following questions. What is globe? What is its use? What are the two main difference between latitudes and longitudes? Why do the place in the east get sunlight earlier than the place of the west? Why do we use the local time of the particular longitudes as the standard time for the country or part of country? How do the latitudes and longitudes help us to know the locations of the place? Explain with an examples. Fill in the blanks. Match the following. Write down in your notebook copy and learn properly. Thank you for watching these videos. Have a nice day.